just getting a minute to sit and to observe the skyline and the waterfront here in Cartagena de Indias. And my oh my, what a beauty. It's interesting when you travel while working, especially when you've been doing it as long as we have. You really just get your head down and get working. And so today I am so thrilled that with our new location we are able to overlook the entire bay. So right here where we're focusing, there is the wall that it has appeared in so many videos, the wall of Cartagena. I'm focusing on it right there, and you would have seen in many other videos where people walk up to the wall, and to be able to see it from this vantage point is just so fantastic. And also there is the Castillo de San Felipe in this general area. When you watched our video where we were aboard the Ama Magdalena, it would have been right there in the Bay of Cartagena. And then as you look beyond all of that, it is the sea, the Caribbean Sea, the Atlantic Ocean. So amazing, so wonderful. But the skyline has never been so clear until we have gotten to this location. We are now on the 29th floor, and I'm still looking forward to spending time at the Estrella Hotel and go up to the 51st floor, where I'll be able to see even more. But it's just fantastic. There you can see the cranes where the wharf is located. That dome-shaped building is yet to be identified. And we continue along the coastline. All of this excuse me, is Cartagena de Indias. Lots of construction going on. Funny enough, we were just on the other side of the building where there is another tower going up, and so the dust has had an impact on me. Glad to have switch locations, so now we have a little less dust, a whole lot less dust. And then from seaside to mountainside, it's all here. So we have a panoramic view, cell towers that support all of the technology. It is just absolutely beautiful. I'm sure you're not going to get this view from many other persons on YouTube, because they shoot from down upwards. I get the privilege of shooting from up downwards. So yeah, there's so much to explore in this city. I have not even touched the surface. Just had my head down, working, trying to keep the bacon and the bread buttered. But it's so nice just to take a look around and to see what your Cartagena experience will be when you book your stay, book your trip, book your escape here with us at Share Fantastic Travels. and Resorts Limited. We really slow travel so that you can really see and select what your experience should look like. So don't delay. We now have more and more connectivity with air travel, and in the world in which we live, we don't know how long that's gonna last. More cruises sailing from here to here and so on. Another reason not to delay. Take it all in, guys. It's right here for you. So until we meet again, see you on the other side of the camera here in Cartagena de Indias, Colombia, South America.